Highly recommend going on an artist date with yourself. Yes, I read about it in Julia Cameron's The Artist's Way when I first started writing over 30 years ago. And I thought, what a great idea. So I'm in this park, Huddart Park. I haven't been here in 20 years. I remember coming here when I was going through my divorce, and it very much soothed my soul. And that's what nature does. So now, 20 years later, I'm back, and I realized I hadn't been here in 2 decades. So in your own backyard can be the most beautiful nature experience. And you can tell yourself, oh, I don't have time. That's what I was telling myself. I don't have time. I'm tired. It's hot. I've worked all day. Excuses. So I say get out, have an artist date, and enjoy your own company. You'll be surprised at how much you enjoy your own thoughts and the beauty of nature. I mean, look at this. I'm going to keep going. So